Hello my friends, welcome to Joey's Tech. In this video, I will show you how to install SciPy in Python on Windows 11 the right way. We'll use a virtual environment to keep things clean and we'll verify the installation at the end. First, let's confirm that Python and pip are installed correctly. To do that, you are going to click on the Windows icon. Then you are going to type CMD in the search bar. Click on command prompt once it appears. And when the command prompt opens, type Python space hyphen hyphen version. Hit enter. Then type pip space hyphen hyphen version. Hit enter again. If you don't see the versions of Python and pip after running these commands, then don't worry. I have already made separate videos on installing Python 3.14 and pip on Windows. Check the links in the description box and come back to this video once that's done. But if the versions appear, then you are good to go. Now to keep things clean, we are going to create a Python project to folder. I am going to create that folder in my desktop, but you can choose to create it wherever you want. So using the mkdir command, I am going to create a folder called SciPy _ project. Hit enter. You can see SciPy _ project folder has been created on my desktop. Now we are going to go inside this folder using the cd command. Now let's create a virtual environment for SciPy. So we are going to type Python space -m venv and the name of the virtual environment. Let's call it SciPy _ venv. Hit enter. If this command doesn't throw any error, that means virtual environment has been successfully created. Wait, no error. You can see SciPy _ venv virtual environment has been created. Now let's activate this. This is going to keep SciPy and its dependencies isolated from other projects. Now let's activate this virtual environment. So we are going to write SciPy _ venv, that's our virtual environment, /scripts, that's with capital S, /activate. Hit enter. You can see the virtual environment SciPy _ venv has become active. Now let's install SciPy. So we are going to type pip install SciPy. Hit enter. There you go, the installation has begun. SciPy builds on NumPy, so NumPy will also be installed automatically if it's not already there. There you go. It says successfully installed NumPy 2.4.0 and SciPy 1.16.3. Now let's verify its installation. So we are going to start a Python prompt by typing Python. Here we are going to import SciPy. If this import is successful, that means SciPy is successfully installed. Awesome. Now let's print its version. So within the brackets of print, we are going to write SciPy dot _version . Hit enter. It says 1.16.3 and that matches with the version that we just installed. This confirms that SciPy has been successfully installed. The final step is to deactivate the virtual environment. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to install SciPy in Python 3.14 on Windows 11 from this video of Joey's Tech. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.